Okay, so we have completed the script and the voiceover. Then we need to move
Mhm.
forward to the video clips to give our script in a visual form. So there are many tools for the video clips, but I will use the in-video for this procedure.
Okay.
If you don't have any idea about the video clips tools, you can also find out and give a command to the chat GPT. They will find for you.
Do you mean they can help me to find the right tools for that, right?
Yes.
Okay, that's amazing.
So in case we will use the editor tool,
Mhm.
and we need a landscape. So if we uh, making a video for long time for the YouTube tutorial, so
Mhm.
then we need to choose the landscape. If we are
Do you mean the longer videos, right?
Mhm. Then if
Okay.
we want to create some shots like TikTok video, this one, so we need a portrait form. So then we need to move forward for the portrait.
Okay, something like
So
vertically, right?
mhm. Mhm. So
Okay.
now for now we need to click the voiceover that we have downloaded
Mhm.
and drag and drop to the display screen. So here you can see we have added the voiceover.
Okay.
Okay. So there is a step we need to add the clips for the according to the video sorry recording clip, like uh, what our voiceover call about, like first of all I need to listen. So first of all they are telling about the digital, so I think I need to search here for the
Do you mean the type of this sound, right?
Mhm. No.
Okay.
So in this duration, our voiceover talks about the technology. So I will find the best video clip for the technology.
Okay. So we can
So I
use
will
that,
choose this
use
one.
these videos for free.
Mhm. This also have a paid version, but we can use with the free version. But in free version, we will export our video in 720p. If we have a paid version, then we can export our video in 1080p.
Okay.
So as I selected this one, so it's a huge clip. So I need to separate to my voiceover. Let me separate this. Okay.
Like to adjust the video based on the
Mhm.
voiceover, right?
Yeah, yeah, absolutely.
Okay, sounds
So
great.
hope you understand. So our
Yeah.
third part of clip is done. Then we need
Mhm.
to move forward to the thumbnail design. There are many tools
Okay.
for the thumbnails like Adobe Photoshop and the Canva and anything else. You can also explore for the these type of tool like graphic design tools in the chat GPT. Okay.
Okay, so do you mean I can ask to ChatGPT for these, right? And they can help me to find these tools.
Absolutely yes. So as
Okay.
I know about the this tool, so I will use Canva
Mhm.
for the thumbnail design. So basically Canva has pre-made templates, so we can easily drag and drop and we can ready our thumbnail in just a few minutes. So let me
Okay,
explain what
that's
I
great.
needed.
And is
No,
Canva also free, or should we need to pay for something?
no, basically it has two variants, free and paid. You can also use the free version, so don't need to. If you have a if you need a good quality content like something special or something good looking or professional, then you need to buy for
Mhm.
them. So
Okay,
if you are just a beginner, then I will recommend you so free version.
got it.
So here are the too many templates for our related to our field. So I will suggest someone. I will choose this one and just need to click on
Mhm.
customize. So what I need to write here, first we need to move back to the chat GPT and see the title of the video. So here are the
Mhm.
title. We need to copy the title and paste here. We can also use text
Title,
field.
title for the video, right?
Mhm.
Mhm.
Basically this is a title of what type of video we have and what is all about in our video. So we need to
Got it.
customize this title. Mm, like this one I will choose unlocking to the first line, the power in second line,
This tool looks like very easy to use for me.
great. So AI tools, let me add something like I need to adjust this and put the remaining text in this field. So after after putting the details of our video, we need to click on the box and we can
Mhm.
change the text font here. You can see here there are multiple fonts we can also use. I will use open this one. You can see here the
Looks
font
like
is
it's changing the design and look and feel of the font, I mean the text, right?
yes. So when this one is done, we need to click on it and also change. We need to adjust our thumbnail to the
Mhm.
uh, okay this one, and then move this one. We also need the we also need follow the color scheme of our channel or our business. So this is the
Okay,
important
got
part.
it.
So we need to adjust the text according to thumbnail, something like this. Our thumbnail is ready. Then we need to click on share and download this one.